Hello! Right, today I'm doing a bit of blues. I've got a Seagull Merlin. This one's in G, so our strings are tuned to G, D, G and G, the two little ones. Okay, this slightly different. We're going to do the blues in G. So basically you've got your open G and this note here, and then bar that off there. That's that fret 1, 2, in between fret 2 and 3, and the next one up. So I can use my other finger to brace it, and open, and then we add this note into that one there. So trying to show you as well. Open and roll. That's about it. So I've kind of slowed that down a bit. Speed it up a little bit. Sounds something like this. I'm using a little bit of palm muffle here, so it means I'm just muffling the strings with my palm. I can vary that by how much I lift my palm off and on. That's my strumming technique, if you like. Never really think about it a great deal, but here we go. It's just as important, the strumming technique. Vary the volume with your palm muffle. There you go, it's the blues. We're going a bit faster, we go a bit slow. Now I'm picking up. So the way I'm picking now style is just different to get that different feel. I don't think about it too much, it just sort of happens. Insert what you want to hear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it doesn't really matter if the words don't rhyme. Hey, that's it. You get the picture? That's on a Seagull Merlin, blues in G. G. Wasto's Garage out. it's not just about cars.